Hi everyone, my name is Tatiana Fedorkiev and today we're going to be talking about earned value management. We'll discuss key metrics and we'll also cover a practical case so we understand it better. Let's start. I'm Tatiana Fedorkiev, a content creator and future project management. You can find my socials here. So let's start. What is earned value management? Earned value management is a method used to measure project performance by comparing planned work, actual work completed, and actual cost. It helps answer three key questions. Are we ahead or behind schedule? Are we under or over budget? And what will the total project cost likely be? We have key metrics and formulas. The first one is budget at completion. It's the original budget of the cost. The formula is BAC equals total budget. It's the finish line. Then planned value is the amount of money worth of work that should have been done on the project. It is what we plan to do. The formula is planned value equals percentage of planned by BAC. Then we have earned value. It's the amount of money worth of work that was actually done on the project. Its percentage of actual work done equals BAC, budget at completion. It's what we actually did. Then we have actual cost. It's the total cost actually spent on the work performed during a specific period. It's the total amount of money spent, what we actually paid. Then we have cost variance. It's the difference between the work done and money spent. The formula is cost variance is equals earned value minus actual cost. So if the value is negative, it means that we're over budget, while positive means that we're under budget. Then we have cost performance index. It's a measure of the cost efficiency of budgeted resources. The formula is cost performance index equals earned value divided by actual cost. If the index is below 0, it means we're over budget, while the index is more than 1, it means that we're under budget. Then schedule variance. It's the difference between the work performed and the work planned. The formula is schedule variance equals earned value minus planned value. Negative means that we're behind the schedule, while positive means that we're ahead of the schedule. Then we have schedule performance index. It's the measure of schedule efficiency. Schedule performance index equals earned value divided by planned value. If it's less than 1, it means that we're behind the schedule, while more than 1 means that we're ahead of schedule. Then estimate at completion. It's the expected total cost of the project when all work is finished. Estimate at completion equals budget at completion divided by cost performance index. It's the new forecasted total cost. Estimate to completion. It's the expected cost to finish all the remaining project work. Estimate to completion equals estimate at completion minus actual cost. It's the money needed from this point forward. Variance at completion. It's the projection of the amount of budget deficit or surplus at the end of the project. Variance at completion equals budget at completion minus estimate at completion. It's the final gap between original and new budget. Then, to complete performance index. It's the cost performance that must be achieved with the remaining resources to meet the budget at completion. To complete performance index equals budget at completion minus earned value divided by budget at completion minus actual cost. 1 is harder to complete, less than 1 is easier to complete. Then let's move to the project, to the case we'll be discussing today. So our project is growing vegetables on a 1-acre field. The objective is to grow vegetables on 1 acre and sell the harvest. The duration of this project is 4 months, and the budget at completion should be $4,000. Let's break down the work. Land preparation, $800. Seeds and planting, $600. Irrigation setup, $1,000. Maintenance and fertilization, $800. And harvesting and packaging, $800. Now, let's move to the second month of our project. Let's calculate the earned value management here. So, the planned value. According to the plan, by the end of month 2, we should have completed the following. Land preparation, $800, seeds and planting, $600, irrigation setup, $1,000. So the plant value is $2,400. So this is how much value we plan to create. Then the earned value. In reality, let's see whether the progress is slower or faster. Land preparation is complete, $800. Seeds and planting complete, $600, while irrigation is only 40% complete, $400. So the earned value is $1,800. This is how much value we actually created. So the project progress is slower than expected because by the end of month 2, we should have earned value of $2,400, while in reality it's only $1,800. So let's also calculate how much money we had to spend to earn this value. Due to inefficiency, we've already spent more. Land preparation cost more due to fuel prices, $950, seeds and planting cost us $650, and irrigation equipment partially purchased, $900. So the actual cost is $2,500. This is how much money we actually spent. Now, let's calculate whether we're efficient or not. So let's start from cost performance index. So the formula is as follows. 1,800 divided by 2,500 is 0.72. So it means that for every dollar we spend on the project, we only create less than a dollar of value. So we are over budget. This business is not profitable at the moment. Now let's see how is it going with the schedule performance index. So let's divide the numbers and we'll see that we completed only 75% of planned work. So we are behind the schedule. Now let's use advanced earned value management formulas to forecast. What if we continue with the same efficiency? Let's use them to predict the future of the project. So we already know that budget at completion is $4,000. Earned value is $1,800 and actual cost is $2,500. Cost performance index is 0.72. This means that for every dollar spent, we create only 72 cents of value. If this efficiency continues, we can forecast the project total cost. So let's go ahead and use the advanced formulas. Estimate at completion. This tells us the total expected cost of the project. So the formula is EAC equals BAC divided by CPI. So let's calculate and we'll see that if we continue at the same efficiency, the project will cost more than we actually planned. This means that the project is inefficient, meaning we will spend more money than we planned. So let's see the estimate to complete. This formula will tell us how much more money we need from today to finish this project. The formula is ETC equals EAC minus AC. Let's calculate. And we will see that we still need $3,056 more to complete the project. Originally, we expected to need only $4,000, while we know that we will need much more due to the inefficiency of our execution. So let's calculate the variance at completion. This formula will tell us how much over or under budget this project will be. The formula is VAC equals BAC minus EAC. Let's calculate, and we see that the negative number means we will be over budget. So when the project is completed, we will have spent more than we planned by $1,556. So what this means for this project? At month 2, we already know that the project is over budget because cost performance index is below 1. The same for the schedule, where the project is behind it. Schedule performance index is under 1. So the project will cost more than planned if nothing changes. In this way, earned value management allows us to detect it early and make better business decisions. Thanks for your attention. Please like and subscribe, and follow me on socials. See you next time. Bye.